For you to be on top of your game as a motion graphics artist, avoid letting your designs look way too static. Please stay with me till the end as I show you how to create a brand logo with After Effects. First, you select your composition and adjust it to whichever time frame you are okay with. Next, you move to the layer menu, select new and branch out to solid. Scale it down and set the right keyframe to your modifications. Always bear in mind, as a motion graphic artist, to make your body of work visually appealing to the eyes, don't ever forget to always give it that exaggerative effect. It's very important. Next, you introduce your text and select your preferred font. Thereafter, you add the mask effect to each of the text and set a keyframe, just like I have done here, and make sure you repeat this same pattern for the rest. Good luck with your endeavor. No need to bore you with a long procedural guide. It is extremely simple. And when you are done with it, you continue with the tutorial. And now that you are done with the classwork, for you to have a full control of your keyframe, select all your keyframe points and press F9. When you press F9, then you move on to the graph option or menu to control the pace of your keyframe movement. You can control it to whichever keyframe movement, to whichever speed that you want. And good luck with that. I can't wait to hear from you. And if you have any difficulty while doing this, don't forget to send me a message in the comment section, or better still, send me an email. I can't wait to hear from you. I promise to give you a response. Good luck.